Garlic stir-fried pea shoots is a tasty and nutritious Chinese side dish that's quick to make. Fresh pea shoots are cooked with garlic over high heat, bringing out their natural flavor and keeping their crisp texture. This easy vegetable recipe is perfect for pairing with rice, noodles, or your favorite main dish. Ready in just minutes, it's a great way to enjoy leafy greens in a simple and delicious way. Perfect for weeknight dinners or healthy eating. This is the one and only vegetable dish that I order at a Chinese restaurant. In Chinese, this dish is called dou miao. The only thing is this dish is quite expensive to order, so today I'll show you how to make it for a fraction of the price. Also more fresh and crisp when it's homemade. Chinese pea shoots with garlic is a quick and healthy stir-fry made with tender pea shoots and fresh garlic. This easy Chinese vegetable dish is packed with flavor and ready in minutes, perfect as a side for any Asian meal. It's a simple Chinese vegetable recipe that's great for weeknight dinners or anyone looking to eat more greens. Any recommended dishes or similar dishes you want to learn how to cook, just comment below. Thank you for watching my channel. Track me down. Don't forget to like and subscribe.